Welcome to the Risk Ready podcast brought to you by Reliance Insurance. Join us on November 8th, 2021, as we speak to Canadian founders, entrepreneurs, professional athletes, and business leaders about how they mitigate risk.
You know, while I didn't push my kids into sport-specific stuff, I wanted them to play sports for those reasons, to learn those lessons, to learn to be able to work with other people, to take direction from coaches, to have a friend, and maybe it doesn't go well for them or for you, but you're working through it together, and those are lessons that it's hard to find in real life until it's too late, right?
And when he sat us down in that 6-month meeting when we were presenting, he essentially said, guys, incredible presentation, blah, 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 but that's not the point. The point is I wanted to tell you guys today is the ceiling that I have set is your floor.
I want to pause for a sec because I heard your dad say that at one of the awards banquets maybe a couple of years ago to you both. And I think it was one of the greatest lines a father can ever say to their sons. And I remember I was in the crowd when he said, to my boys, my ceiling is your floor. And that, I
stepped into a primary care role for her. Again, an extremely challenging thing. It didn't make me happy.
No.
But it brought me joy to know that I had been gifted with a skill set. The fire department gifted me with a lot of skill. My nature.
That's all part of the plan.
It's all part of perhaps the master plan. And a willingness to
without you actually planning it. Because you didn't become a firefighter to take care of Linda.
No.
But because you had that skill set, you were able to step up to that role.
You know, it was fantastic because we learned new things. I learned accident benefit, bodily injuries.
Well, I've often heard it said, Henry, that if you want to learn the insurance business, claims is the foundation by which to do it. And I would agree with that.
Yeah, the common sense.
You're actually interpreting and applying the wordings. And
correct. Yeah.
So it's on the front lines.
And helping people directly.
Yes. Hi, I'm Chris Ball, CEO of Reliance Insurance. Our Risk Ready podcast explores risk and how it shapes us daily in our everyday life, whether personal or professional. Our visual podcast will be available on YouTube and wherever you get your podcasts from. See you on the 8th.
I can feel this spice here.
Yeah, it's got a little burn.
It's actually very nice.
I'm glad you think so.
It is nice. It's almost al dente, but it's the spices are. Woo.